In this quick video, I am going to show you how to delete YouTube search history in iPhone. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel to help me reach 1000 subscribers. Now suppose if you have searched anything on your YouTube and you want to remove that thing from your search history, then you can simply hold on your search and then YouTube will give you an option to remove your particular search. And now we can tap on remove and that particular search result will be gone from your YouTube search history. But in case you want to delete your whole history, then we need to go back from here and tap on your profile icon from the bottom right corner. Once we tap on it, now click on the settings icon from the top right corner, and now here we need to click on manage all history, and then it will open a new page, and from here we can simply manage all our YouTube history from this window. And if you want to disable your search history permanently, tap on the controls and then we need to scroll down here and uncheck the second option, which is include your searches on YouTube. If we disable it, then YouTube will not save our YouTube search history. So we just need to tap on pause and then all of our search history will be paused from YouTube and YouTube will not be able to save your search history. So this is the process. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.